In this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to use Google Classroom and very briefly, how to view your class assignments in Google Calendar. If you are using a Windows or Mac-based computer, you will get the best results using Google Chrome as your web browser. First, open up your web browser and go to google.com. You will need to log in the upper right-hand corner using your Google Student account. Once you do this, you will notice your account avatar will appear. Next, you want to go to the left of your avatar to the waffle icon. When you hover over this icon, you will notice that a pop-up window appears which states Google Apps. Left-click on this icon. In the drop-down menu, there's a list of applications that are available for you to use. The one we are interested in is Classroom. Left-click on the Classroom icon. Once Google Classroom has opened, you will notice all of the classes you are currently enrolled in. To join an additional class, in the upper right-hand corner, click on the plus icon and go down to Join Class. In the pop-up window, you can type in the classroom code that your teacher gives you, and then press the Join button in the upper right-hand corner. You can reorganize your classes by clicking on the jelly beans in the upper right-hand corner of the class you want to move, and then select Move. In the pop-up window, choose the location you want this class to be after. To unenroll or leave a class, go back to the three jelly beans and click the Unenroll button. Next, we are going to take a look at one of our classes. For this example, we will use Mr. Mitchell's HTR class. Notice that there is a preview of the work due in this class. You can click on this hyperlink to go to this particular assignment directly. To open the class, click on the title of the class. At the top of the page, you will notice three buttons: Stream, Classwork, and People. By default, Google automatically shows you the Stream page. Think of the Stream page as a list of announcements. To the left of the announcement, you will see the up-and-coming work that is due. Again, you can click on individual assignments or click View All to see all of the open assignments. Next, we are going to click on the Classwork button. When you click on Classwork, it shows you all of the assignments that have been assigned to you and their respective due dates. You can better organize your assignments not only in this class, but all of your classes by utilizing the Google Calendar feature. To use this, click on Google Calendar. Once you have your calendar open, on the left-hand side under My Calendars, you can check the boxes next to the classes you want to show assignments for. At the top of the calendar, you can change the calendar to show you data for the next day, week, month, year, an ongoing schedule, or for the next 4 days. Once you change this, the arrows to the left will go forwards or backwards, whatever amount you chose in your selection. You can access the assignments directly in the calendar by clicking on their title. When you do this, a pop-up window appears with the description of the assignment and a hyperlink to it. You can add your own calendar appointments by clicking on the Create button in the upper left-hand corner. Or you can also click in any spot on the calendar and fill out the pop-up window. Now that we've looked at the calendar, let's jump back over to Classroom by closing out the Calendar tab. You can open an assignment by clicking on its title. When you do this, it gives you a preview of the assignment along with any attachments. To open the assignment completely, click on View Assignment. In the upper left-hand corner, you will notice that this assignment is worth 100 points. In the right-hand corner, you will notice the due date. Below it, you will notice the instructions to complete the assignment and any attachments you need to complete it. In the pop-up window below, labeled Your Work, you can click on Add or Create to complete the assignment. From here, you can create a new document, slide, sheet, or drawings, or you can link to your Google Drive, upload an assignment from your desktop, or link to a hyperlink. Make sure that when you submit your assignment, that the document you submit is not blank. Let's go back to our Classroom page by clicking in the upper left-hand corner under HTR period 6. The last button that we are going to look at is the People button. When you click on this, you will notice a list of teachers that are currently teaching this class, and you will also see a list of students that are actively enrolled in this class. Unfortunately, I am the only student enrolled in this class, so I do not see anybody else. I can email my teacher directly by clicking on this email link. Same thing goes with students that are in my class. This concludes the quick tutorial on how to use Google Classroom.